मैं कर सकती हूँ। और सच में डायना मैम ने हम लोग को बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया, वो हमें खुद सी रहती थी कि आप लोग ने नोट से वो दिखा के। कैंसर पेशेंट में मैं काम करती हूँ एंड ये ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइन का भी काम करती हूँ। गोरेगांव में एक शॉप है ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइन का। देन मैंने वहाँ पे गई मैं और उनको बोला कि मुझे कैट का डिज़ाइन आता है करके। देन दे हैव गिवन लॉट्स ऑफ ऑर्डर। मैंने 3-4 पेंडेंट भी बनाया है। आई हैव टू कंटिन्यू दिस ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइन का मुझे करना है और आगे कोर्स करना है। अगर सपोर्ट करेंगे तो बच्चे लोग आगे पढ़ेंगे।
In recent times, the word empower has been on the hot seat, with people all over India struggling to articulate what empowerment of women really means to them. Our slogan at FICCI, Flow and Why Flow, Mumbai, has been power to empower. So how did we define this notorious word? Empowering women is giving them the dignity to be treated as equal human beings, freeing them from the shackles of financial dependence, enhancing their souls and lives, and bringing respite to their drudgery. Personally for me, the important thing is that one can create value in the life of another. Combining our forces, YFlow and Flow Mumbai decided to adopt this very philosophy in all 4 of our projects, whether it was through creating educational and self-awareness workshops, hosting fundraisers, and one of Mumbai's most coveted lifestyle exhibitions, or be it the sensitization of sexual harassment at the workplace, or imparting women with a sense of equality, of not being victims victims of another person's actions, but rather the masters of their own destiny, or providing them with the technical expertise to make a living. This year, I realized that by being the facilitator of change in others, I too can evolve and my life can be deeply enriched. As privileged women, we have a responsibility to pay our debt forward so we might create a domino effect and actually change the way society works. And as I move forward, I would like to give a big thank you to Flow and the entire governing body and the Presidium, Flow Mumbai, and last but not the least, to the EC of Flow and Why Flow Mumbai, Flow Chairperson Renu Kapoor, National Past President Kiran Gera, National Vice President Vinita Bimbet, for mentoring and supporting me through this process. Thank you for allowing me to have this journey. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanya. Neetaji, may I request you to felicitate Renu and Tanya. Renu, will you please come forward? All the members of Flow Mumbai, may I request you to please stand up at your places. Yeah. Only Vinita. Yeah, of course. You from Mumbai.
Hi, good evening. Actually, मैंने ब्यूटी का कोर्स किया है और ये सब नलिनी मैम और रेनू मैम और फिकी फ्लो के वजह से हुआ है। एक्चुअली इतने बड़े पार्लर में मेरी इतनी स्टेटस नहीं कि मैं जाके पैसे भर के और सीखूं, पर ये लोगों की वजह से और आप सबके वजह से मैंने ये किया। और मेरा एक ड्रीम है कि मेरी मॉम के नाम पे मैं एक बड़ा सा पार्लर खोलूं और ये सब आपके वजह से हो सके। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Malti Yogeshwar. Presently, I'm studying in FY BCom and currently working with Cancer Patient Aid Association. My dream is to become a jewelry design, and today it's became a reality. Thank you so much, Renu Kapoor ma'am and FICCI organization to kindly sponsor this course for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Well, our next presentation will be the chair of our very young chapter, Flow Indore. Aarti, will you please come up to the dais?
A very good afternoon to respected Neeta ji, Archana ji, Manju ji, honorable past presidents and all distinguished flow members. Indore chapter was launched under the super dynamic leadership, inspiration and able guidance of our president Neeta ji on December 2014. Neeta ji. I would like to thank her for enabling me to see my own potential, to be a leader, and the fact that I do have a great opportunity to do good work under the Flow banner, not only for the 4 months that have happened, but the next year also you're going to see me on this podium. As you all know, we started in December. Now we have a member strength of 90. And battling against certain odds and with great support of my committee who's present here, Shweta, Pooja and Rashmi, I would like to start my presentation. Well, yeah. I have no music, I'm sorry. Next year I will. The lunch was hosted by Mrs. Meera Goyal, governing body member. And it was a nice lunch where we all synergized with the new members and the past presidents also. And the flow members, yes. The chapter was launched by Sally Holkar. She is the founder member of the Women's Weave Association, the charitable trust. And she has empowered hundreds of women by teaching them weaving. And now she is running a handloom school also. So she inaugurated our chapter with great honor. As you know, I was elected chairperson, and this is our committee. We got great media coverage, and from a flow strength of 44, now slowly we've come to a flow strength of 90. Our first event was Empowerment Through Education, where Mrs. Neerja Birla flew in from Mumbai, and she gave us a very nice talk on how children should be educated in these days. Mothers usually remain under a lot of pressure. How do I educate my child? What all should I teach them? How and what? Only academics. But she gave us very good insights and takeaways as to how one should deal with peer pressure, how one should do what the child is more worthy of doing. Yeah, so these were the takeaways: travel, arts, sports, culture, and holistic approach to be taken by parents. Education must comply with the interest of the child. Again, we received tremendous press coverage. We had to stop the media persons from taking photographs. There were so many media people. Oh, okay. And then we did the visit to Maheshwar. About 25 women went to the Sally Holkar's Women's Weave Handloom School. We are still deciding how to get attached to them, but it was worth the while. The visit was worth the while. The second event was a talk on radiant relationships by Dr. Newton Kundavati and Dr. Lakshmi from Hyderabad. Many people, all the flow members enjoyed the program. And relationships is one thing which women battle all day. How should I be with my mother-in-law? How should I be with my sister-in-law? How should I be with my husband? How should I be at work? So there were many takeaways from this program as well. And yes, again, the media coverage was beyond our expectations. Thank you.
Neetaji, will you please felicitate Aarti? The next presentation will be by Apra Kuchar, Chairperson, Flow Jaipur. Apra, please come up on the dais.
respected National President, Ms. Neeta Bushra, members of the governing body, guests, past presidents, friends from the Flow fraternity. I take this opportunity to extend a heartfelt thank you to all of you for believing in me. This really gave me the courage to carry on for this year. Flow gives inspiration was the theme of this year, and attending Flow events became a way of life for everybody. By involving everyone to flow with the flow, I plan to introduce an element of surprise in each and every event. It was Flow Jaipur's endeavor to provide a platform wherein all the members learnt newer ways. I am very happy to report that in 52 weeks we did 42 events, big and small. So I really want to thank all the core committee, my working committee, that really kept on going. I'm very happy to also share with you that we started our events with Padma Shri Shubha Mutkal, started with Ms. Shobha Day, Ms. Kiran Bedi, Mr. Raghavendra Singh Rathore, Ms. Vinita Tavra Nangya, Mr. Ashwin Sanghi, Mr. Rajkumar Hirani, Padma Shri Urvashi Bhutalia, Padma Bhushan Parveen Sultana Ji, Rujuta Devekar, Dr. Sameer Parekh, British High Commissioner David Leloyd, Baroness Sandeep Verma, comedian Aditi Mittal, consultant Elizabeth Henderson, and each one of them really put in a lot of hard work to come to Flow Jaipur chapter. Actually, when we say Ficky Flow, it is a lot of weightage. People do take us very seriously. We were also fortunate to host the interstate meet under the able leadership of our National President, Ms. Neeta Bushra, who gave Flow a new dimension. Thank you so very much. Very interestingly, we played a very important role in the policy formulation at the state level, whether it be Rajasthan Investment Policy Scheme 2014 or Solar Power Energy Scheme or the Rajasthan Budget. Our recommendations for introducing entrepreneurial development program from the undergraduate level to higher levels was accepted by Honorable Chief Minister Ms. Vasundhara Raje. I am also very happy to report that Flow Jaipur played a very important role in the regional trade potential and associated non-tariff barriers with special focus on women-owned, led, engaged micro, mini, medium enterprises in association with CUTS. The CSR objectives, we worked in accordance with the head office, whether it be skill development initiatives. We worked with iCreate, that is an organization from New York, and we really tried providing skill development workshop for women right from the grassroots level. We conducted self-defense classes at government schools, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Thank you very much, Harjinder ji, for keeping it very simple for us. We cleaned the area outside the biggest government hospital of Jaipur, the SMS hospital and the trauma center. We also conducted breastfeeding awareness camps in slum areas, empowerment walks at Katputli Nagar. Today, at this moment where I stand, there are lots of women who are learning each day from Flow Jaipur chapter. A small little presentation will sum it up for you.